How to use Discord on phone for beginners. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this video, so let's get started right away. Now, once you've made an account on Discord, it will probably look like this. So, how to actually add friends, that's probably what you're gonna ask first. Now, you have about 5 tabs here. So the first one is just your direct messages and servers. Second one is your friends. The third one is the sort of like search bar. The fourth one is recent mentions, and the fifth one is the settings. Now, if you go to the second one, the friends section, you can click on the top right corner, the one of the left, to add friends. So here you can see add via username. It says username #0000. So everyone has a username, but also a tag. So if you want to add something, you cannot just put in the username. You also have to add the tag. So that can be, here it says your username is RyanBroin #8104. So let's say I want to add something. It would be something like this, and then #0101, for example. So this is how you can actually add someone. Once you've added friends, you can go to the first section again, and here you can start a conversation with one of your friends. So here you can just type it in, type something, blah blah blah, and all kinds of stuff like that. Now on the left you can see 3 servers right here, so I can just go to them like this. Now in order to join or create your own server, you want to click on this plus icon right here. So here at the top it says create my own, but you can also start from a template, or at the bottom you can also join a server if you have an invite. So if you click on there, and here you have to paste in the invite link of a Discord server. So that's how you can join an actual server. The way you can also join a server is if someone invites you in DMs. So here you can see a Discord server link. It's currently invalid though, because there was a timer on it, so I cannot join it again anymore. But that's also how you can join a server. Or if you see like a Discord server link in someone's bio on Instagram, for example, that's also how you can join one. But now to actually create one, click on the plus icon again. Here you can completely create your own or start from one of these templates. So gaming, school club, study group, friends, artists and creators, or local community, stuff like that, right? So let's say I would create a gaming server. Here you can see, tell us more about your server, for a club or community, for me and my friends. I'm just gonna select for me and my friends. Name the server. I'm just gonna name it like gaming server, create server, and here you can immediately share the invite link. So I'm just gonna invite this account right there. Click on done, and this is how your server now looks like. So that's just a fresh template. And here it says setup progress. Invite your friends, upload a server icon, and send your first message. So you can do that by following those steps. You can also go to the server settings, and you have so much to customize here, which I'm not gonna go over everything, or else this video is gonna take too long. You can figure out most of the stuff yourself, like how to add like a server image and stuff like that. But this is kind of how Discord works. If you go to the 5th section, you can also see your settings and do whatever you want. So yeah, that's kind of it. I hope this video helped you like with most of the stuff. But if it did, please let me know in the comments, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.